So we finally have an honest AI model. Now let me explain. Because if you've used these AI models for any real work, you know one thing they all do. They lie to your face. Not on purpose, but they'll tell you the code works, the task is done, the problem is solved, and it's just not true. So Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.8 today, and the headline feature isn't speed, it isn't some benchmark, it's that this model is trained to stop pretending. And honestly, I feel like that's the biggest feature of Opus 4.8. So I'm going to go ahead and explain what that means, and then we're going to quickly go over the other release features as well. Okay, so here's the actual problem Anthropic is calling out. Every AI model has this habit of jumping to conclusions. It confidently claims it made progress, done, fixed, working, when the evidence is honestly pretty thin. We've all seen it. If you've ever used any of these models, you know what I'm talking about. You ask it to fix a bug, it says all set, and the bug is very much still there. Anthropic says that they train all their models to be honest, basically to not make claims they can't back up. But Opus 4.8 is the version where that finally seems to stick. Now, two things have changed here. One, it's more likely to flag uncertainty. So instead of bluffing, it'll actually tell you, hey, I'm not sure this part is right. And two, it's less likely to make claims it can't support in the first place. Now, that's huge if you're building something like an app or an actual project. Now, here's the number that made me want to make this video. On their own evaluations, Opus 4.8 is about 4 times less likely than the previous version to let flaws in its own code slip by without saying anything. 4 times. So if it writes something sketchy, it's far more likely to call it out instead of quietly shipping it and letting you find out the hard way. There's also an alignment side to this. So Anthropic runs a safety assessment before every release, and their team said that Opus 4.8 hit new highs on what they call pro-social traits. Things like supporting your autonomy and actually acting in your best interest. On the flip side, behaviors you don't want, like deception or going along with misuse, drop substantially compared to the last version. They're saying it's now roughly on par with their best aligned models to date. So that's the core pitch. It's not that Opus 4.8 is dramatically smarter, it's that you can trust what it tells you more. And for anyone using these things for real work, that might matter more than any other point on the benchmark. Now, fair caveat here, these are Anthropic's own internal evaluations, so take the most honest with the usual grain of salt, of course. But the direction is the interesting part here. They're optimizing for the tell the truth, not just sound impressive. Alright, so honesty is the star here, but Opus 4.8 shipped with a bunch of other stuff worth knowing. Let's go quick. 1. The effort control. Now this is the one that most of you will actually touch. Right next to the model picker in the Claude app, there's now a setting for how much effort Claude puts in. Crank it up and it thinks harder and deeper for better answers. Turn it down and it responds faster and burns through your usage limits slower. And it's on every plan, even free. Number 2, dynamic workflows in Claude Code. Now this is also another great feature here. It's in preview, but it basically lets Claude take on genuinely huge tasks. It plans the work, spins up hundreds of sub-agents running in parallel, then checks its own output before reporting back. Anthropic's example, migrating an entire code base across hundreds of thousands of lines, start to finish. Number 3, fast mode just got cheap. So Opus 4.8 can run in a fast mode at about 2.5 times the speed, and it's now 3 times cheaper than it was on the older models. Number 4, this is going to be for the devs. The API now lets you slip in new instructions mid-task without breaking the cache. Niche, but a nice quality of life win if you're building agents. And the pricing, same as before. $5 per million input tokens, 25 out. You're getting the upgrade for free, basically. Now, Anthropic is being pretty upfront that this is a modest upgrade. Their words, not mine. But they tease what's coming. Cheaper models with Opus level smarts and a whole new tier above Opus called Mythos, which a few companies are already using for cybersecurity. Alright, so if you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe. And if you're interested in learning how to monetize Claude Code, and build real things for businesses that are willing to pay you, check out the community. Link is going to be in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.